This is Aaron with Attention to Detail, Luxury Detailing, and Coatings. Today we are showcasing Fireball Typhoon ceramic window coating, which is a type of coating designed specifically for automotive glass surfaces. It provides a durable and hydrophobic barrier that protects against environmental damage such as water spots, mineral deposits, and harmful UV rays. This coating also makes it easier to clean the glass and repels rain, reducing the amount of time it takes to clear the windshield during driving. We here at Attention to Detail love applying Fireball Typhoon ceramic coating to our clients' windows because it provides numerous benefits to the glass surfaces. Not only does the coating enhance the visibility and clarity of the glass, improving the overall look of the vehicle, it also provides long-lasting protection against environmental damage, helping to maintain the glass in tip-top shape. Additionally, the hydrophobic properties make cleaning easier, which can save time and effort for the vehicle owner. Got any questions? Give us a call at 219-295-0529.